Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so I hope you're very fine and your day is beautiful. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a natural drink that would help you stay away from sickness, especially in this time. Okay, do you know that some of the food that we eat is actually medicine? We can actually take food as medicine instead of taking medicine as food. Okay, so it is actually better we consume this food as medicine. All right, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, you are most highly welcome. If you're a returnee, you're a darling. Okay, so let me take you right into this video because I can't wait to show you this amazing remedy, and it's so beautiful and I love it. Okay, so let's go. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. All right, let's go. All right, so as you can see, I have a small blender, and that's what I'm going to be making use of. Now, garden egg doesn't have much juice, so for you to blend it out, you'd have to put in a little water, and then you blend it. Yeah. Okay guys, so after you've blended this, you're not supposed to keep it for too long because the garden egg is going to change its color literally if you are keeping it for too long. Okay, so there's a two way of doing this guys. You can either just blend it and drink it that way, or you can actually sieve it, because this particular one is just vegetable. There's no need to waste all of this, but I'm going to be showing you another way, which is what we're actually doing right now. Okay guys, so the next ingredient will be lemon. All right, so you all know lemon contains citric acids, and it also helps so much to cleanse the body. Now, combining lemon with all these other natural ingredients that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be bomb, and this is how we're going to be doing it. Yeah, so you're going to take just a little bit of lemon, and remember to always wash this. Yeah, remember to wash all of your fruits. Okay, if you're actually planning to stay healthy, you have to clean. Now what you do is that we're not going to be sieving this, we're not going to be squeezing the lemon juice out. We're gonna be cutting everything plus the zest, which is the back of the lemon, which is this one. Okay, so we're literally going to be needing everything for this particular one. Now I know that it's not actually gonna be easy, drinking lemon juice and then chewing the zest. Now the zest, which is the back of the lemon, is actually very, very, very important. Okay, so that's why you have to put it in here. Okay guys, so for you to get all of your goodness and for the lemon plus the zest to blend properly, you would have to get a stronger blender. And now when you blend the lemon plus the lemon zest, now you're going to perceive it, and the smell is really citric. Like the smell is almost gonna get into your eyes. Now that's it. Yeah, So you're literally just drinking the lemon plus the zest, which is what they basically use in making, you know, medicine that we actually drink. So this is the lemon and the zest. Now, to get that utmost result when it comes to your health and to stay away from sickness, guys, you're going to be needing ginger. This is ginger, and you can as well just wash the ginger. For some people, I know you love it that way, yeah, to just wash the ginger and then blend it plus the bark, especially how clean it is, okay? But for me, I'm actually going to be peeling it because I actually do not need any sand, okay, to get into my drink. Okay, so after peeling it, remember to wash, sanitize. It's very important. And then you would have to cut it. Now you can as well just eat this ginger straight up without blending it, but since you're gonna be using it to make this goodness of a drink, you do not need to. Now I'm gonna be keeping this while I'll introduce another ingredient, which is also small, you know, to blend together. Okay, so you're gonna be needing this, and this is garlic. Now garlic is very important. Now if you are actually making any drink, you know, to abstain from sickness and all of that, you must impute garlic in it, okay? You should, because garlic helps to fight cold, all right? It helps for fluid, and it's also help for heart health, and it aids your liver to flush out toxins from your body, literally just making you stay healthy. So you get some few cloves of garlic, just like now, and then you peel it just like I'm doing. So remember to wash after peeling, yeah? So this is it, and I have 4 cloves of garlic here, and I'm going to be turning that into the blender, since it's actually not much to, you know, blend together. So in here I have garlic and ginger, which I'm actually blending right now. Okay guys, so after blending, now for this particular one, I love to sieve it out because this is actually not really fun, you know, drinking garlic and ginger plus all of this fiber. It's somehow peppery, so I love to sieve it out, most definitely. Okay, so in here I have my garlic plus ginger, and this is apple. Now you can actually use any apple. If you have the green one, fine. If you have the red one, it is also fine. Now apple is actually very healthy and very medicinal, and it also would help this drink so much in making you stay healthy and abstaining you from falling sick. So you're literally not gonna be falling sick when you actually cultivate the habit of drinking this juice, medicinal juice basically. Okay, so okay, so I'll put a little bit of water. Okay, so after just a little blending, that is okay. Now we're going to be sieving out the juice of our apple. Now for this particular one, where you can actually choose to sieve it out or not, but if you don't sieve it out, the lemon zest is just going to spoil your mouth. Okay, so here I have my apple, lemon, and ginger and garlic. This is my lemon plus the zest, and then here I have my garden egg. Okay, so I'm gonna be turning in all of this goodness into this bowl, into the cup, sorry. Now do not forget to put in your garden egg, and the lemon plus the zest is very, very beneficial and very helpful for this drink. Okay, so this is the goodness, and this is how it looks like. It looks really, really beautiful, and it's gonna taste yummy. All right, so let me go for it. Wow, it's a little slappy, because of the lemon zest. But guys, when you cultivate the habit of drinking this, you're going to be good. You're going to literally stay away from sickness, and you're going to have that good health. Okay, so go try this. Drink it as often as you can. Okay, and you're good. So it's a thumbs up. Okay guys, so I love this. It is so amazing. The greenish nature is so beautiful, and man, all of those things are so, and they taste really well. Okay, so they can actually make you stay away from sickness and not contracting all of those illness here and there, blah blah blah. So you just go use this and have your skin, your face, your body healthy, looking snatched, and stay beautiful. All right guys, so that's it. I'll see you again in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. Yes, share knowledge, literally. Okay, all right, bye.